Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been saying
Good Monday. I'm gonna vlog today, but it may be like a boring Monday vlog because I don't know what all I'm gonna actually be doing. I do have a call into my dentist. I'm trying to see if they can do something because I've been dealing with pain all week in my tooth. I don't know if the temporary, because it wasn't supposed to be that way. It was supposed to be a same-day crown, and I guess their technology that they use for the same day was down, so they had to do a temporary process. I'm starting to think it doesn't fit right or something, because by the end of the day I'm like, give me a leave and I need to stop talking, it hurts. So I'm hoping they get back to me shortly and they can do something about it, or maybe my permanent's in so I can go in and get this taken care of and be done with it. I've had a very slow morning, really haven't done much other than eat. I even slept till 6. I'm just chilling here watching a movie that I had recorded last night that I want to watch. Like I said, it may be a very boring, slow day, but I will vlog what I can. And hopefully it'll turn into something at least.
on their own course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you're taking my time. It feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that. Still, you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Oh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. For you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up.
We are gonna head up to Food Line real quick. I gotta pick up a couple ingredient items that I need for this week. I want to get that done in case the dentist does call. Also, I know I got the mowers coming, so I want to get out while I can, even though it doesn't take them long.
I can feel it now. She said life is just a symbol for the pain that you can get through. Like a camel through the needle. Everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal, 'cause if there is no sequel.
Show you what I got. Oh, there's a spider in my bag. I don't like that. But dessert for later in the week. Sounded good. I got some lettuce for my nachos, and I might use some on my hamburger tonight. I didn't last night because I didn't have it. Roma tomatoes for my nachos. A jalapeno, which I'm gonna dice or slice up and I guess pickle it is what they call it, with the lime juice. Put that in the fridge for nachos. I'm not gonna have the nachos till tomorrow night, but just wanted to have it. I also grabbed one of these Bolthouse Farms. I really do like these. They're high in protein. They do have a lot of sugar, unfortunately. And then I've never seen my Food Line have these, but they had a turkey provolone slider lunchbox kit. So there's like turkey provolone slider sandwich, pickle, potato salad, there's a chocolate chip cookie, and then of course I have mayonnaise. So I thought that would be perfect for lunch. We're gonna put all this stuff away. I think I'm gonna go ahead and dice up the jalapeno. That way that can have time to do what it needs to do.
I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back a couple dials. We should throw them out because time ain't ours.
The mowers are here. I finally got a hold of my dentist. Unfortunately, they don't have any time until next Monday, so I kind of have to put up with this pain for the rest of the week unless something opens up and they can fit me in either today or tomorrow. I mean, it's manageable with a leave, but I really just don't think that's smart to be taking it every single day to manage that.
Locks down a couple miles. We could build them up until the sky was as old. I lived 100 years of solitude with you, and never questioned what gives anyone the right to believe these superstitions outside of human intuition. 'Cause tonight it's enough for me to know that you and I.
All right, it's, I don't know, I think like 3 hours since I last talked to you guys. Honestly, my tooth has gotten really painful today. The dentist can't fit me in until next week. So I kind of have to like ride this out until next Monday, unless they manage to squeeze me in tomorrow, which I'm praying they do because this is getting really rough. I basically took some Aleve and took a nap, which helps. That's like the only time I get some relief is when I'm sleeping. So I don't think there's much else I'm gonna do today anyway besides have dinner and just lay low and try to rest my jaw because it's getting sore from, I think, the tension of what's going on. And I still gotta work and talk on the phone all day for the rest of the week. So I mean, like I said, I knew it was going to be a boring, slow day anyway, and it definitely was. I only did a few things here and there, and this probably will be very short. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. I hope everyone has a blessed day. And I'll be talking to you next week, hopefully after this is all done, with some fun videos that have been pre-planned.
Just inside